talk about the historical background of what Arun Rajwararam is started 500 years ago. And in Ayutthaya period, we have here. But in our temple start with the Ayutthaya period, therefore 500 years ago. We believe that it's established by the people and the soldier to bring back Ayutthaya. It take nine months to gain people. When he have a lot of people, he told to the soldier, he told the Ayutthaya, or go to the another city. And then when they looking around and said and think that we didn't want to restoration the Ayutthaya because we didn't have the sun goes up. He take that time to just like lucky time and talk to the people that we will build the new city here. He called Kung Thonburi Sri Mahasamut and he take his name to King. But in his reign, he only have 15 years to be the king. But we believe that he have not the normal person anymore. So his soldier bring him to be the new king, or we call King Rama the first, and establish the new city. The new city is over there, or the now. Yes, but when King Taksin passed away, King Rama the first not leave this temple behind. He sent his son, or King Rama the second, to live there. So his son, he have nickname is the King of Art. So he want to build the bigger branch that reflect to the porcelain, the colorful porcelain. They will know that we arrive Bangkok now. So we believe that at that time, what Arun Rajwararam want to be the branch of the city, but on his reign, he didn't make it. He passed away, so King Rama III of his son built this branch area. So that's why on King Rama III expand the area and built the new assembly hall or Uposatha hall.
The walking will take us around like 30 minutes, and then after that we will have some little free time, and we will meet here again at 11 shop. Okay, 11 shop. We will meet up here. And another thing very important is that please do not go outside the temple area. At the meeting point, please do not go outside. Do you remember when we get out the bus? Do not go outside, because if you go outside, you cannot enter in again. So making sure that nobody left outside. Okay, and then we're gonna walk around. Okay. Cool. Oh. Which camera? This one first. Okay, and then the next one is gonna be video also. This one. Okay ค่ะรูปนี้จากตรงนู้นนะ
Photo.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye จ้า
One, two, three. One, two, three. ได้อยู่นี่ One, two, three. One, two, three. Okay. ใช่ไหมว่ายังไม่
Can you stay on one side, please? Be wise.
Sure.
My weather.
planning to move back to
พี่แชมป์บอกเด็กเกินไป
He trained a lot in China, so he think that he didn't want to and made the piece of the piece of porcelain. You will see the piece of porcelain is the Thai style, but made by Chinese artists, and then import to the is the king crown. The king crown and have the four corner. So we believe that this giant, according to him, King Rama III, we have the new innovation. So this is the art from King Rama I. This is the difference. So that's why we call this the new innovation. Woodcraft. Woodcraft. According to tourists or Thai people, before we go inside, so I want to talk about at the 2,000 years ago, this pavilion is look like this animal. According to the Buddhism, the Buddha taught that if you want to become the monk, the boots you can use the river. You go to the river by boat and then you on the center of the river or the water you can ordain to become the monk. But refer to our belief that when the king have to take dedication or make something beautiful, that's why they make Uposatha very beautiful because he believed that if he dedicate the
No. He give us like a very special like thing, so we like to balance away.
we are the balancer. We are the balancer. That's why we
balance your sanity. Have a lot of become the lot so we call it permanent something like that and everything will not so we have the kangaroo over there. tasting better. We suffering a lot of if according to if we love someone that you accept the love, something like that you will suffering, and some people just like heal themselves. Yeah, we why they want to bring this life from the happiness to the real happiness. จะไป
Hard to define it.
Describe.
After this, I will take you to my
อ๋อเอ้ยอาหารมีแต่คนชอบแน่นอนอยู่แล้วจะเสียชื่อได้ไงอะ
สิงคโปร์ดูลำดับพิธีการยังไม่ค่อยดียูดินก็คือ I show you something everybody
คนละทัวร์
Why we believe that if you want to make the dance right only believe some people believe that so we will finish this our information
First time, Japan first
so
time.
according to our Wat Arun Rajawararam
When
we
you go
sincerely
overseas.
thank you for coming to us if I have any information or misinformation I have to apologize for this so you can nowadays we have a lot of technology so you can search a lot of
I miss ice
information thank you so much
No.
Next, I would like to invite our
Someone said
representative
Someone said
Iran,
and I was
Abi
give
from
it
the
to
Brunei
Give it
Darussalam.
his gift.
To
And after that,
say
we
thank
did it.
you.
I take it again. This one. So in total three cups. Hello. Good morning. Assalamualaikum. Salam sejahtera. And sawadika.
Sawadika.
My name is Abi from the country of Brunei Darussalam. And I stand today as a representative for all the PYs gathered here today and would like to express my sincere gratitude to Luang Pipiana and Luang Piwachara, the liaison officers and ship administrators for having us on this important cultural visit to the temple, which I will try to pronounce, Wat Arun Rajawararam Rasha.
Yeah, this side of the river is worth one. Is this the best spot for the picture?
Corner lang dito yung highlight. Tayo mo ID mo.
Sige, pa-double ako mamaya.
Forward, forward. Okay. Bilisan. Mas wala pa. 1, 2, 3. Bilisan mo.
Thank you, Susan. Thank you.
0.5 basta makapture yung ulo ng tao. Okay.
One, two, three. Galaw, galaw, galaw.